To understand what voltage or potential difference really is, let's imagine it through a hydraulic analogy. Picture a large water tank placed high above the ground. The higher the tank and the fuller it is, the greater the pressure at the bottom of the pipe. That pressure represents high voltage, a large amount of potential energy ready to push the water out. Now, imagine a tank that's set lower or only half full. The pressure is much smaller, and this is what we call low voltage, a weaker potential push. When the valve is opened, that static pressure turns into moving water. In the same way, when an electrical circuit is closed, the voltage pushes electrons to flow, creating an electric current. So, simply put, voltage is a measure of how much potential energy is available to drive current. The higher the voltage, the stronger the push, and the more electrical work can be done within the circuit.